Place des Vosges, located in the heart of Paris, is one of the city's most iconic and historic squares. Its elegant architecture, rich history, and vibrant atmosphere make it a beloved destination for locals and tourists alike. Spanning 3,000 words, let's dive into the fascinating details of this remarkable place. The Place des Vosges, formerly known as the Place Royale, is situated in the historic Marais district of Paris. It was built by King Henry IV in the early 17th century and holds the distinction of being the oldest planned square in the city. Named after the Vosges region in northeastern France, the square has a symmetrical layout and is surrounded by striking red brick and stone buildings. The architectural style of the Place des Vosges is a testament to the early 17th century French Renaissance. The square features a harmonious blend of classicism and Gothic influences. The facades of the buildings showcase uniformity with their steep slate roofs, dormer windows, and red brick construction. The ground floors of these buildings house elegant arcades with arched openings, creating a covered walkway around the square. The upper floors exhibit a more refined aesthetic with decorative details such as ornate balconies, sculpted pediments, and intricate stonework. The centerpiece of the Place des Vosges is a beautifully manicured garden. This green oasis is divided into symmetrical lawns bordered by gravel pathways. The garden is adorned with neatly trimmed hedges, flower beds bursting with colorful blooms, and elegant fountains that add a touch of tranquility to the surroundings. Tall trees provide shade, creating a serene ambience where visitors can relax, read a book, or enjoy a picnic. Over the centuries, the Place des Vosges has witnessed numerous historical events and has been home to many renowned figures. One of the most notable residents was Victor Hugo, the acclaimed French writer who wrote Les Miserables and The Hunchback of Notre Dame. Hugo's former residence, known as the Maison de Victor Hugo, is now a museum dedicated to his life and work. The museum offers a glimpse into the writer's world and exhibits his personal belongings, manuscripts, and artwork. Aside from Victor Hugo, the square has attracted many other artists, intellectuals, and aristocrats throughout its history. Its charming setting has inspired countless painters, writers, and musicians. The Place des Vosges remains an artistic hub to this day, with several art galleries and boutiques dotting its arcades. The square's cultural significance extends beyond the arts, as it has also served as a backdrop for political events and social gatherings. When strolling through the Place des Vosges, visitors can experience the vibrant atmosphere of the Marais district. The surrounding area is known for its lively cafes, trendy shops, and eclectic mix of architectural styles. The Marais is a melting pot of cultures and is home to a thriving LGBTQ+ community, making it a diverse and inclusive neighborhood. The Place des Vosges also hosts various events and festivals throughout the year. From art exhibitions to open-air concerts, there is always something happening in this lively square. During the summer months, the garden becomes a venue for outdoor activities, including yoga classes, Tai Chi sessions, and outdoor film screenings. The square truly comes alive during these occasions, attracting locals and tourists alike. In conclusion, the Place des Vosges stands as a testament to Paris' rich history and architectural grandeur. Its elegant buildings, meticulously maintained garden, and cultural significance make it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring the city. Whether you're captivated by its historical legacy, its artistic charm, or its vibrant atmosphere, the Place des Vosges offers a unique experience that encapsulates the essence of Paris.
你是不是生下来就是应该